Okay, everybody, we're back. I'm trying to fix this. Just give me a minute. So I was working on this transfer and realized I probably should have used ink instead of the paste here. So, and this little boo-boo right here, I'm gonna fix that. That's not a big deal. But I do want to put this transfer back on, and I'm gonna try, and this may not work. You know, we're just going with the flow. So, make sure my transfer is dry, but it feels like it's still wet. Hold on a second. How's everybody doing tonight? I don't know if I've ever talked about our team, but I really love our team. Very supportive of each other. And by the way, my name is Adele from Chalk Couture. I guess I should tell you who I am. And we're gonna try to salvage this. If it doesn't salvage, I'll just wipe it off and start over. But I think it's salvageable. Trick is gonna be getting it to line up. And you know, I kind of had a little gut feeling that I should use ink. I should have followed my instincts, because I think that's what happened here. Is that I should have had ink instead of the paste. We do have the best team ever. I love everybody on our team. Let's see. Kind of wondering if I need to throw some magazines under this thing. Some papers to give it something to push against. This before and it worked, so we'll try it again. So my friend Betty, who's on here, she's in Montana, and it's very cold up there. It's snowing again today. Luckily down here it's starting to warm up a little bit. So I'm ready for a little warmth, but I'm a little hesitant too, because I know that soon that means I'll have to move inside and start chalking out of my studio, which someday my intention is to insulate this. So there's no insulation in the sunroom or the studio. My sunroom is really my classroom, but my intention is to eventually get everything insulated. Oh my gosh, 36 is that inches or 36 degrees? That's 36 inches. Holy cannoli. That is a lot of snow. That's a yard. Okay. Just trying to get in the best position for this. All right, we're gonna give it a go. And I have learned to love our inks. They're very user-friendly. And we're just gonna get going. Sorry about all the mess down here. Let me get rid of some of that. Like I said, I was redoing my studio a little bit today and everything kind of got all wonky on me. And I've had something every single day this week going on. So I'm just busy. Busy. Everybody's busy, you know. I keep thinking I'm special, but everybody's busy. And we're just gonna start with ink and pray that it works. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Had to get out the bobcat to clear the snow. Oh my gosh. Might as well just called the snowplows and said, come get us. Of course they don't do that, I know. Well, Betty, you hang in there. My hope is that Betty gets to come back down here in the snowbird season, like October, November. Hey, Brenda. So Brenda was just here with a bunch of 4-H'ers. We had a blast, and they were very respectful, like I said in the last video. And I enjoyed it. I love giving back to our community. We miss you too, Betty. Get back down here. Tell your husband to buy a house. I'm sure there's one at an air park near here. You know, preferably where I'm at. I'm putting this on kind of thick just because of the last little issue we had. And we're gonna go from there and see how it works. If it, like I said, if it's a mistake, I mean, if it doesn't work, it doesn't matter because I have little invested in this canvas. I mean, it was fun making the swirlies and all that stuff, but I believe I can still get it back down to a white canvas and start completely over again. That feels like an air bubble right there. Get rid of that bad boy right now. Oh, it's just bumping up and down. Okay, we're gonna leave it and hope it works. That's why I like this company and this product, is because even if it's not what you want it to be, you can redo things, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go through and scrape off the excess and put it back in my jar. And the way I like to tell people is you want to see the design, then you know you've scraped off enough. And actually I'm gonna switch and go to my bad boy here. And I'm pretty sure this will fix what happened a minute ago. Oh, brother. So I'm working on getting enough stuff together to be able to put my own boot together. And actually Cindy and I have been talking about that quite a bit. Okay, now I'm just gonna check and make sure there's nothing that I've missed. Like the lines aren't too bad. They're gonna be lines because it's just a big squeegee. Okay, I think we're done. Like I said, I'm gonna fix this in a minute. Not a big deal. And hopefully this doesn't pull off any of my swirlies on there. Okay. I think it's working. Oh, we had a little bleed right there. I can fix that too. See right there, there's a little bleed. No big thing, chicken wing. It's working, are you guys? I can't believe it, it's working. Awesome. It worked. Oh my gosh. Show me a little love. Look at that, it's working. Woohoo! I think the dogs might hear me, they're barking. Okay, so the first time I put this transfer down, I used paste. And it didn't work. It didn't look right. It looked horrible. So then I just washed the transfer and decided to go with ink. And I'm gonna actually fix this right now. See if I can do it. Let's see, what colors did we use? Do I have them tied? And I think it was honeydew. the Titan Honeydew, or was it, hey Laura? So I'm gonna try that real quick, see if I can fix, I think it was that color. Fix this little area here where, so what happened was I spilled some white paste here, and when I went to wipe it off, it wiped off the ink. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit. And I don't have my wipes in here, so I'm just gonna try it with a paper towel. I'm just tempting all kinds of fate to cause a problem. See how many problems I can cause right now. So we're just gonna use a new technique here. I'm just spraying a paper towel with water, and let's just see what happens. Yeah, let's see. I need 2 paper towels. All right, let me see if I can break this one in half. Okay, try that. It may not look exactly the same. I don't know. We'll see. It's not looking bad. Mostly, I just want to cover up where it really injured the canvas. And come back. I think last time I did this in a couple of sessions. I can't remember. I think maybe I did it all at once. So we're just fixing what we whoopsied. See if I can cover up that one. That one's got a little owie on it. What do you guys think? Okay. Let's see. Okay. I think it's all right. Oh, there's a little whoopsie right there too. I'm seeing all these little things that showed through originally. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit more yellow. Try to lighten it up down here. We'll see if it works. Too much? Okay, there we go. All right, what do you guys think? Let me flip it over. I've got ink everywhere. I gotta go wash my hands. Let me see. Maybe I can just towel off real quick. I just don't want to get any unwanted ink anywhere. Okay, so let me flip it over and show it to you. Right side up. There you go. What do you think? Do you like it? And I may wait a little bit and go in there and put a little more of the coloring in to make it look more like that. But I fixed it. That's the good news. I love that you guys are here. I love that you're joining it. Please like and share if you would. If you're watching this on replay, please type in #replay. And let me see, I'll move the camera back up. This is Adele from Chalk to Crafts, and I'm glad I'm back, and I'm gonna try to do one of these every day for a while so I can get back into it and before I hit the road again. So you guys have a good night. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.